Investing tips for beginners. A real story that every new investor must hear. You work at Taco Bell, or maybe it's Target, Starbucks, wherever, and you've got a bit of extra cash lying around. Your friend says, "Let's invest." He's tracking stock charts, watching the news, trying to time the market. Some days he makes money, some days he loses money. Over time, he ends up broke. Why? Because timing the market doesn't work. Here's the smarter move. You take a portion of your extra money and put it into a high-yield savings account. It earns interest. It's safe. It's liquid. Perfect for emergencies or short-term needs. Then you take the rest and invest in index funds. Instead of betting on one company, index funds spread your money across hundreds. That means diversification and lower risk. Don't check the market every day. You don't panic. You just keep investing steadily. Meanwhile, your friend is still chasing trends and hype. He buys high, sells low. You're playing the long game. And guess what? Investing tips for beginners don't have to be complicated. Avoid trying to beat the market. Avoid emotional decisions. Save a portion. Invest the rest in low-cost index funds. Let time and compound growth do the work. That's how beginners build wealth. Slowly, steadily, and smartly. Subscribe, Smart Money Sound Law. Want to take your trading game to the next level? Check out VIP Indicators, a powerful trading tool that helps you predict any market 24/7 with precision. Works for crypto, forex, stocks, all in real time. Easy for beginners, powerful for pros. Boost your confidence with smarter trades. Click the link below to get started with VIP Indicators and level up your strategy.